Hi, today is Sunday, December 15th, 2024. I'm in the middle of a couple panels you can see here on the left. These are event organizer dashboards for two different organizers themselves. We define an organizer by an email address. So enough said about all that. I am going right in to show you that this data loaded into AWS is right here in this presentation layer. Now, if I click here, you'll see the differences in 309 events versus 52 upcoming. So chronologically, we express in the GUI the upcoming event load or stream of data coming out of S3 into this panel here via our APIs. That said, let's take a peek at the MBA. The MBA obviously would have more games, and you see all the events there, 1480. As I scroll up, there are the games there loaded chronologically. Now, our next game schedule here in December is December 19th, and you'll see the game schedule there for the 19th. What I'm going to do today is show you how easy it is to send bulk calendar invites via our API. Now, the demo which I'm going to show you is all based on a API we've built, and it's super simple and appropriate size. I'm just using a small batch. You can actually test this with up to 100 in it. And what I'm doing right now is looking for the list itself. So this list here is email list in text file form for demo purposes. And what I'm doing is loading up a list of a size of 11. There they are there. Now, I've already sent out some calendar invites yesterday, Saturday the 14th, and I'm just going to scroll down and take a peek. I think my last calendar invite was here. I'm going to take a peek at one of my emails that I send to regularly for the demo. And you'll see it was Kansas City Chiefs. So here are the Chiefs here. I'm going to go down to the Ravens, and you'll see I'm going to pick the Ravens game. That data is loaded into the calendar snack engine. I'm going to give it a command of yes. And you're going to see to the right of the panel of my screen in Google, the calendar invite showing up over here. So what we're doing here is sending out the calendar invite. It's talking to an API gateway. The API gateway is right here. I will take a quick peek at it right here. And you'll see that I'm just talking to this gateway and sending out the calendar invitation itself. So pretty simple overall, and we're pretty happy with how it works. Now, when I take a peek at, let me load this other panel here. When I take a peek at the calendar invite sent out, you'll see I'm going to say yes to this one. I'm going to go back to this other one here and say yes. And that data now is going to be loaded into and talk back to the API gateway. I said maybe to that one. So that was for the Ravens. And you'll see here, we sent out a batch calendar invitation to these 11 people. Now, when I go back up to the reporting engine, you wouldn't know that. So that's what reporting engine is all about. I'm going to go back to the 15 here, December 15th data panel. And in particular, the Ravens, I'm going to look for RAV in our search head here. There it is there. And you'll see that I sent out an event report, 11 calendar invites, and 2 replied. And let's see here. See, there's the 2. One's tentative, one has accepted. So again, our tech stack works on an API gateway that we've built with AWS technology. We encourage you to come by and take a peek at it. And thanks for your time today, December 15th, Sunday, 2024.